What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about XRP, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so XRP. As you guys know, we had a huge breakout on XRP to the upside, exactly as planned. Like I've been talking about on my previous videos, we were watching for this type of a breakout, especially as we broke bullish out of this horizontal consolidation range, which we did right here. And you can see price went very vertical after that point. So from here, I think price is going to go a lot higher and really take off. Now, the short term, there could be a pullback. We are pretty overextended in the short term, so it wouldn't surprise me at all to see XRP pull back a little bit here in the short term and start coming back down to major support before it can find the momentum required to go higher. It doesn't have to, but there is a good risk to reward ratio for people taking shorts. So I do think it's very possible for the price of XRP to drop down here to $1.73. Now, if that does happen, definitely don't be afraid if you're a big picture investor for XRP. It really hasn't provided an opportunity for people to pick it up since this parabolic move, and it's definitely going to at some point. It has to have pullbacks along the way up. Every bull market ever always has 30%, 20%, and even bigger corrections along the way up. So that's definitely possible in the short term. So I wouldn't be trying to top blast this thing. If anything, I'd be accumulating. If price goes lower, buy more. If price goes higher, just keep accumulating no matter what. Just keep buying, and try to get the best average entry that you possibly can. Because in the big picture, this is going to go a lot higher. And so because it's going to go a lot higher in the bigger picture, the best thing to do right now is keep buying. If it goes down a little bit, buy more. If it goes up, buy more. Just continuously accumulate XRP, which is exactly what we've been doing in the VIP area and even on my YouTube channel all through this whole period is accumulating XRP. So this is something that we've been talking about. We've been watching for a big breakout like this on XRP. To see it happen is really just speaking towards our trading plan and what we have been looking for in this market. And it's really a good sign that the bull market is in full force for crypto, and XRP breaking out like this is a sign that we've got a lot more upside, not only for XRP, but for the rest of crypto. So this is really a good setup here. I love the fact that we broke out of local resistance. I love this huge multi-year accumulation structure that we finally broke bullish out of. We are at local resistance. That's the only reason I think it's at least possible for us to pull back down to support here before going higher. But overall, this is a very clear signal that in the bigger picture, XRP is going to go a lot higher here and break out for a new all-time high and really go to levels that a lot of people are not expecting. So yeah, as you guys know, I am watching multiple different levels for XRP. And you can find those targets very easily with the fib extension tool. You just measure from the bottom to the high and start looking at some of these targets. The 1618 is the minimum target. As we break out for a new all-time high, that's the minimum target for wave 3. And after that, $12 is definitely that next area that I'd be looking at for XRP. And it's absolutely possible for us to hit upwards of $22 before the end of this bull market. So like I said, the best thing to do right now is keep accumulating, keep buying, keep holding on. If it pulls back a little bit in the short term, that's going to be an awesome opportunity to pick up some XRP. And if it keeps going higher, just keep accumulating. Just have some cash available and just continue to deploy it over time. You're going to get a good average entry before price gets up to these higher extensions. So that's what I'd say with XRP. The other thing, you guys, if you haven't seen this, it's super, super cool to look at. This is our first accumulation cycle for XRP. As you can see here with XRP, we had a big pump, a pullback, another big pump, and then a big sideways action for multiple years. And if you look at XRP today, you're going to see the same thing happening in the bigger time frame that's already happened in the past. So we've got XRP over here on the right, and we have XRP's first cycle over there on the left. And you can see just how similar the structure is on both of these markets. It's the same accumulation structure. The only difference being this accumulation structure took longer, it's bigger, it has more volume, and overall is a bigger accumulation. But you can see that the same fractal of human emotion took place while XRP was being accumulated right here as it being accumulated today. It's just a bigger fractal of the same exact structure in the market. And now that we're breaking out on XRP, you can see by looking at this fractal just what's coming in the bigger picture for XRP. In the bigger picture, it wouldn't surprise me at all to see a very, very vertical move that takes us, who knows exactly how high, but I suspect it will go pretty dang high here in this bull market. Again, the short term can pull back. There's nothing that says we can't come back to support. So don't be afraid if there's a short-term top here and price pulls back a little bit. Overall, I'm expecting something like this to happen for XRP and for us to make a lot of money in this bull market. So yeah, you guys, this is a really, really good looking setup here with XRP. I do believe we're going to get a very, very vertical move here. Even if the short term we pull back a little bit overall, I think we're going to see a huge expansion in price and for us to go to levels that people really cannot imagine right now. It's definitely possible for us to go up to $22 this cycle for XRP. So keep your eyes on this chart. Things look really good. Keep accumulating. Don't mind the short term. Keep playing it. I do have a short position open on the short term with a fairly tight stop loss. So technically I am expecting a bit of a pullback here in the shorter time frame. I wouldn't at all be surprised to see us pull back down to these major support levels, maybe around $1.80 or a little bit lower. But yeah, overall, this setup looks really good. I love this chart. The big picture is super bullish. And the name of the game here for XRP is just simply just keep accumulating and buying as much as you can early on before things go parabolic and before things get overextended, which they always do every cycle. The other thing to look at here with XRP is the fact that the total crypto market cap broke above its previous old all-time high with a lot of volume. In fact, the biggest volume spike we've ever seen for crypto as we broke that level, which is a very strong signal for crypto as a whole. It shows that money is coming into this market, that that breakout is valid, it's not a false breakout, and that we're going to get a lot more upside in the big picture for the total crypto market cap. So with the total crypto market cap increasing like this, the excitement around crypto is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger until the price is overvalued again, like what we saw right here, and we have to have another pullback and another correction. But for now, think in terms of bullishness, even if the short term pulls back a little bit, because the bigger picture is just going to go nuts. People are going to get more and more excited about crypto. As mass adoption takes place, you're going to see the price of the total crypto market cap go to levels we don't even know how high, but it could go really high. So definitely be paying attention to the total crypto market cap. Keep your XRP positions. You guys are going to be able to make a bunch of money this bull market. All you got to do is make sure you keep accumulating here early on before price gets overextended and overvalued. So yeah, you guys, the huge breakout on the total crypto market cap is super good for XRP. And it really shows just how confident people are that this bull market for crypto is going to be huge. It's going to be massive. The huge breakout of this resistance level shows that we're going to have a lot more upside, especially with this volume confirming the breakout. We've got a long ways to go before this is over. So yeah, just keep accumulating, keep buying, keep holding, keep getting your positions stacked up on all your favorite coins, including XRP. Hopefully it provides a good buying opportunity soon and a bit of a pullback here. If it does, definitely make sure you pick up some XRP. I know I'm looking at the total crypto market cap here, but if you do see a little bit of a pullback in XRP, pick it up. Buy some. It's definitely going to go a lot higher, and take advantage of that opportunity while you can. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you. I appreciate you. And that is my update on XRP. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.